Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My 7 subscribers, I've missed you all. So guys, this video is about unboxing an SML3566 Tripod Stand. So in this video, I'm going to show you the different parts of the tripod stand, the features and how it works. I'm going to show you a practical example of using it. So let's get right into the setup. This video by cutting the package open with a razor blade. I must mention that I got this tripod from an Instagram vendor. I won't mention her name now, but if you want to know about her and where I got it and for my own recommendation, please leave a comment or send me a DM on Instagram at Sandy. Guys, the journey to recording this video was tough. I have had a tripod stand before, but not this type. This one is quite sophisticated than my last one, and apparently it's also a tripod stand that is good for camera and phone as well. Mine came with a camera holder. You'll see that in the video. For the sake of you watching, I do not claim to be an expert at unboxing or setting up a tripod or anything of that nature, but I am just using my previous expertise in setting up my previous tripod to try and work this one, and hopefully it turns out well. Wish me luck. Here's a tip for my fellow beginners in YouTube recording. I think when you're getting the tripod stand, do get a shutter. It will really help, a Bluetooth shutter, to make the whole process easier when recording. Please note that this video wasn't recorded all in one day. I had to cut for some reasons best known to me and continue the next day. So enjoy! As we can already guess, this tripod stand has 3 flip lever leg lock closures that help it for easy setup, and that's what you can see me doing there. But just for the sake of this video, I have to shorten the legs for you to be able to see what I'm doing. Now I'm attaching the phone holder. It came with another part which I have to attach to the phone holder itself, and then use that part to attach to the tripod stand. There's a screw on it which I'm supposed to use to attach it. So you can see that in the video as I'm doing that. So it's going to take me some time to fully attach it, so that's why I have to speed up the video. I first began by attaching the phone holder directly to the tripod stand. That is also one way to do it, but you can use the other method. That is also fine. It will give you the same result. After attaching it, you can use it horizontally, which is landscape mode, or portrait. In case you did not know, this particular tripod stand allows you to make a 360 rotation in case you're taking a picture or making a video and need to move around, although obviously it moves manually, so you would have to walk to your tripod stand and move it to whatever direction you want it to go. And there is this knob there that helps with such movement, so you would have to release the knob from lock to make it free so that it can rotate 360. I'm sure you all guessed that this is not the full length of the tripod stand. You can increase it with the handle by the side. As you can see, it's really tricky to use because it rotates up and down as well as to the side, but you have to be careful to avoid breaking it. So it's like it gives a 360 rotation so that you can go round with it for the extra length to come out. As tricky as it was, making this video was fun because at some point I totally lost it. I wasn't sure what I was doing. I was just praying to not ruin anything, and guess what, guys? I did ruin something, and that's the handle that was placed to help you when lifting the tripod stand. I broke it, then realized that I wasn't supposed to touch it. But I hope now you already know you don't have to break yours and then learn from your own mistakes. Just learn from mine. Some parts of the tripod stand that I could not explore, maybe because they were made for people that want to place their cameras on them. But if you're watching this video and know what that part is used for, please leave a comment in the comment section and let us all learn from that. These are the parts of the tripod stand that I think I can set up. If there's anything left, then it's something I'm probably lacking in knowledge about. And you guys can just let me know in the comments. Let me know your own experience with setting up a tripod stand and what type. Apparently there is a tripod stand holder that aids you to lift the tripod stand up and take it to any direction you want, but apparently I broke it. I mentioned that before. Yes, so there is something I noticed on the tripod stand which I still haven't been able to find what the function is. Do let me know what it is and what the function is in the comments, and I can take it up from there. We have come to the end of this video, guys. Here are some of the pictures I took using the tripod stand. If you found this video helpful, guys, please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it.